Hello, my name is Davion Pikes, and this is my video presentation on whether should marijuana be legal or not. Marijuana is a drug, and just like any drug, it can be harmful emotionally, mentally, and physically for the people who use it. But even with the risk it takes, the best way to protect society from its negative consequences seems to be its legalization, as people tend to find ways to use it in harmful ways that impact people in many different communities. The legalization of marijuana causes people in many different communities to get hurt and incarcerated just by having some weed on them. This does more harm to young people than it does any good, especially to minorities. The legalization of marijuana will help decrease the number of minorities being in prison for drug use. Legalizing marijuana will also bring one of the nation's largest cash crops under the rule of law, which will create jobs and economic opportunities in the formal economy. Legalizing marijuana will also create scarce law enforcement resources to be better used to ensure public safety while reducing corrections and court costs. Some people say that marijuana should not be legalized due to the harmful effects it has on people's lives. People are most likely to be unemployed, their families must live with the consequences of poor motivation, memory, and psychological functioning, which also often translates to being more difficult to live with. Marijuana is harmful, but there are other legal drugs that are way more dangerous to use than weed. For example, alcohol destroys your liver and causes cancer, while tobacco clogs your arteries, destroys your lungs, and also causes cancer. In conclusion, marijuana should be legal because it can reduce the harm and criminalization of young people, create jobs and economic opportunities in the formal economy, and save money and resources to ensure better public safety.